Najat, if you have just 1 minute, a very short answer, what happens in the Arab world?
My answers are usually very short. There are two things. The first thing is teaching at the high school level. We really need to prepare the teachers to teach science, and that's extremely important. And if the teachers are underpaid and not respected at the high school level and at the complementary level, that means we're not teaching science. It's going to be too late when they get to college to understand the value of science. So that's very important. And the second thing is the action that science can take. And this is a very important, IP has an important role to play. Not everyone should be in academia. And academia cannot fit all the women who are going to do science. And that's a problem. I do not want to encourage all the girls to have a PhD so that they become all academician. It's not appealing. If you look at the fun part of life, academia is not fun. So you want people to explore, you want people to use the science so that they innovate, they make money. They also need to make money. If we need to empower them, they need to be able to have their own company, they need to be able to make money, and this is the best way we empower them. We don't put them in academia and tell them go fight the men or male-dominated field. So those two things we need to work on, and what you're doing is extremely important.
I will come to you,
Deviating from just focusing on
I'm going to ask
and
others.
Exploring the invention part.
Okay. So what I hear from you is not everybody needs to go into a PhD and an academics, but what can be done is, can governments help in giving up some funding for startups and teaching them how to become an entrepreneur and have role models who can then, they can emulate and become startups. I think it's a great idea. I'm going